Troubleshoot the air conditioning in a VW Jetta. A VW Jetta is a family car produced by Volkswagen starting 1979. Volkswagen is known for producing small hatchback cars, and VW Jetta was first introduced as a hatchback car with a conventional trunk and some design changes. This 2- or 4-door sedan, similar to other vehicles, obtained problems in air conditioning after years of use. But before you panic and bring your car to the mechanic, try to troubleshoot the problem yourself first. To know how you can troubleshoot the air conditioning in a VW Jetta, read the steps below. Materials that you will need: screwdriver replacement, fuse, control board, or blower. Park your car safely. Park your car in your garage and make sure the transmission is on park. Start the engine. Pop in the car keys and turn on the ignition. Let the engine turn on to run for 2 to 3 minutes to warm up. Turn the thermostat controls. Turn the air conditioning control in the panel from low to high. Observe if there is air coming out of the air conditioning vent. If there is but it's not cold, it is possible that the fuse is faulty. If no air is coming out at all, then the blower motor is the one that is defective. Turn the vehicle's engine off as you make any changes. Be it a fuse, blower, or air conditioning panel problem, turn off the engine before doing a replacement or any changes to your vehicle. Replace the fuse. The replacement fuse of the VW Jetta can be purchased from the VW Service Center or in any car parts store. Bring the old fuse with you as reference when you buy a new one. Sit on the front passenger's seat and remove the panel where to unveil the fuse. Take out the blown one and replace it with the new fuse. Move to the driver's side and start the engine. Let the engine run for a minute before turning the air conditioning controls. Observe if there is any improvement with the temperature of the air coming out of the vent. Replace the blower motor. Similar to a replacement fuse, you can get the blower motor of your VW Jetta from any car parts store. Sit on the front passenger's side and remove the lower footboard. This would show the blower motor. Use a screwdriver to remove the screws and free the motor. Take the old one out and screw the new one in place. Turn the engine on for a minute, then, turn the air conditioning control on. You should now be able to feel air coming out of the vents. Replace the air conditioning control board. Remove the negative battery connection from your vehicle first. Next, sit on the driver's seat and take out the glove box by unscrewing it from being mounted. keep the screws and use it as you install the new air conditioning control board. After checking the above steps and the air conditioning still does not work, it is time for you to bring your vehicle to a mechanic for further checking.